next we try to inshallah to revise all the main points what we studied in this quarter. So we talked about le temps libre and the activity we can do it in the free time, and we know it, how can talk about the music and the sports and other activities. So today inshallah we'll try to revise grammar and training about what we did before. So at the beginning I revise with you the sentence. We have three elements. The first at the beginning we have sujet, subject. After that we have verb, and we have complement, the object. So sujet is subject. I told you, like see je, here is subject, sujet. Je regarde la TV. I have a subject, I have a verb, and the complement. Je regarde la TV, or je finis les devoirs. I have a full sentence, but I have in the second verb, we talk about the verb is different. The ending is different. What I have here is and here I have s. So I told you before, we have in the verbs, we have three groups in verbs. We have a verbs is ending by er. I have other verbs is ending by er, second group or deuxième group. A troisième group is the ending is different ending. So re or oer, like that I said before. So er is like what? Jouer, like regarder, like aimer. But the deuxième group like what? Finir, choisir, réussir. For that, the ending is the same. I say this group is régulier, regular, and the deuxième group also is verbs. Régulier is regular groups, meaning we have steps to do it in this for the first group, and also for the second group we have steps to do to conjugate the verb. And I told you before what the meaning conjugate, the conjugaison or the conjugate the verb. Troisième group is the ending is different, is être, so faire, for example. I have avoir, and also we have verb from is ending er, is like the first group, but is third group is verb aller. That this verb we'll study inshallah in the third quarter when we talk about where we can go and what we will do, because we can use it to go to talk about the places I go to the place, and also to talk about to use it to talk in the future tense. So the first group here I told you before is also ending by er, so I cancel er. After that I will add the ending, so is s, and s, z, and that we said before. So we have us, for example, verb jouer. Verb jouer is ending by er. So I will take off er. After that, replace it by the letters, the ending for the first group. Any verb ending by er, I will do the same steps, except verb aller. Inshallah, will verb to go. We'll use it inshallah in the third quarter. So here, if I talk about jouer with the music, I told you I use du and de la, and I told you what the difference between du and de la. But we'll revise also today, inshallah, this week. So je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. After that, I will take off er. After that, I will use the verb without er. Look at. After that, what I do it, I will add the ending. With je, I will say with tu, I will say es. With il, with elle, with nous, o and s. With vous, z. With il, and t. With elle and t. But when I pronounce it, I will not pronounce the letters I added except with nous and vous. So I say je joue, tu joues, elle joue, elle joue. Nous jouons, vous jouez, il joue, elle joue. So look at, with only with nous I say it en, with vous I say it et. But all the others are the same. Je joue, tu joues, elle joue, elle joue. Also il avec s, c'est il au pluriel, il joue or elle joue au pluriel. But nous jouons, vous jouez. So I have a difference here. So verb jouer with the music, I say du or de la. So past attention because the verb jouer also again. But with a sport, so I use je, tu joues, il joue, elle joue. De jouons, vous jouez, elle joue, elle joue. But I use what? O or à la. Attention, O or à la again with verb jouer. So I have with the sport is not like with the music. With the sport, I say je joue. After that is O without à la with E. Okay, O without à la with E. Je joue with the music, I say je joue du without de la with E. Again, du without but de la with that we say it before. Okay, we have also verb aimer. Verb aimer, verb طلعت is first group, so I will take off er. I will use je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il et elle. So I will what I do it, I will take off er. After that I will use the verb with the ending will be j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, and elles aiment. Look at is ending as aimer. After it, I must use le or la. Le or la. Again, verb aimer. I have verb aimer, verb adorer, verb préférer, verb détester is the opposite. I love or I hate. I must use it after it. Le or la or el apostrophe or li. Le so is also is not ending by e. La is ending by e. El apostrophe will start with vowel letter, not ending by s. Le is ending by s. So here is I love or I hate the. I love or prefer the. For the second group now, for the second group is ending by er, so I will take off er. After that, I will add es, et, ess, ess, ent. Like what's Mr. Verb finir. Verb finir, so is ending by er, so I will take off er. After that, I will add the letters I talk about it now. With je, I will add es. I will say je finis. I will not pronounce it, only the last letter. Fini, fini also. Fini with t. Finissant, I will add ess. Finissant, finissez, finis. So when I add the letter I added, I pronounce for the singular. For the singular, I pronounce only one letter, e. So fini, fini. But with the plural, I say issant, finissant, finissez, finis. Without o and t, I will not pronounce it. So we have also for the third group we study this quarter verb faire. Verb faire is ending by re for the third group. This verb is very important because we use it all the time with the activity. I say je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. After that, I will take off re. I will replace it by s. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. But all the time is du or de la with inactive. With the sport, je fais du sport. With the music, I say je fais de la musique. Okay? So here we talk about another something. Attention if I say I love to do what I say. I say j'aime faire because when I listened the video for the videos for the project last week, you have mistakes sometimes. You say j'aime faire. No, I say j'aime faire. J'aime jouer because if I have two verbs, the first one I conjugate it in the present, the second one in infinitive form. J'aime faire. I love to do. J'aime faire what? If you talk about inactive, I say du or de la. But j'aime jouer. I love to play. Independent of music or sport. It meaning j'aime faire, for example, I must use du or de la. Du without e, de la with e. But j'aime jouer, I love to play. What? J'aime jouer. Let's talk about the music is du or de la, like verb faire. But if I talk about sport, I must use au or à la, just I show you now. So is j'aime faire. Here I must say j'aime faire. If I want to say j'aime faire, I love to do, or I love to play, I say j'aime faire or j'aime jouer. I will not conjugate the second verb. Okay, attention. J'aime faire. Don't say j'aime fait or j'aime joue. No. J'aime faire, j'aime jouer. I will use the second verb in infinitive form because come after another verb is verb aimer. I love to do or I love to play. So we have activity from the Delphi exam. Also, we have is come in the quiz is where we take it before, but I will repeat it again because I think you don't understood good this one. I say here, for example, I say je fais de la peinture. Je fais de la peinture parce que j'aime les couleurs. Je fais de la peinture parce que j'aime les couleurs. If I want, I love to do, I say j'aime faire. J'aime faire de la peinture parce que j'aime les couleurs. If I want to describe what he is doing now, I say il fait, or I can say also il est en train de faire, if you want. Here I can say je fais de la sculpture. Je fais de la sculpture en batacelle. Je fais de la sculpture en batacelle. Here I don't pronounce the P. Je fais de la sculpture en batacelle parce que c'est facile à préparer. Je fais de la sculpture en batacelle parce que c'est facile à préparer. If I want to, I use j'aime faire. I will you use it, but after it, de la sculpture also. If I will describe, I say il fait for the boy, fait with T, or elle fait with the girl with T also. Il fait, elle fait de la sculpture en batacelle. So, also I have here, je fais de théâtre. Je fais de théâtre parce que c'est bon pour la mémoire. C'est bon pour la mémoire. So, je fais de la sculpture, de bricolage, sorry. Je fais du bricolage. Je fais du bricolage. Je fais du bricolage parce que c'est bon pour la mentalité et l'esprit. If I want to talk about someone else, I say il fait with T, or I can say j'aime faire. If I talk about myself, j'aime faire. Or you can talk about your father, for example. Here, he loves to do bricolage, to fix something in the home. I say il fait. Mon père aime faire, if you want, du bricolage. So, il fait du bricolage, or il aime faire de bricolage, if you want. Also here, we have last one. Je fais de la photographe. Je fais de la photographe parce que c'est bon pour l'observation. I can say also elle fait, if you want, or elle prend de photos, if you want. So, last subject we have it also how we can write letters in French. So at the beginning I must say bonjour. I must read all the elements here. I must say to who I must send. After I say bonjour. After I talk about what the topic here. Je fais du sport. Je suis sportif, for example. Parce que c'est bon pour le corps. After that I say what the sport I love it. Je fais au foot 3 jours par semaine, 3 days per week, or wear au club. What I wear exactly, sorry. Et toi? Quel sport aimes-tu faire? What a sport you love to do it? So after that, I say à bientôt. Is S if I talk about mini sport, I must add S here. So it's all what we have it in this week. Inshallah, you will have a nice vacation after that, and inshallah, good luck for the exam and for the quiz. Sorry. Merci et à la prochaine.